I'm Brent with Allied, and you may not know we've recently moved branch offices in Salt Lake, so I'm going to take you on a tour of our new location. Come along with me. We make sure in our showrooms to showcase all the technologies we sell and offer. So this is where all the magic happens. This is all of our production equipment featuring manufacturers from Xerox, from Kyocera. When you pan on over here, you'll see some Duplo and Clockmatic. The showroom over here is for our smaller office equipment, our light production equipment like the Xerox 9065, or even our smaller lower end Xerox is over here. And as we go across the whole showroom, you'll see our Canon wide format plotters and their fluorescent inks they're showcasing today. But look at this place. In the cage over here is all of our supplies. Those are our high dollar consumables you guys are printing on. All those toner bottles every day. We have all of our equipment here, parts machines, and brand new equipment from Toshiba, Xerox, Kyocera over here in the warehouse. Well, thanks for stopping by and joining me on this brand new Allied branch tour. You got to see our showroom, our huge warehouse, and all the technology we have here ready to show off. Thanks again.